Babu, tulia.
Not.
Hello, my people. How are you? It's Mamrispa here again with another video, guys. And today it's a banger because it's on a Sunday and we are supposed to go to the church, and we didn't go to the church because of the snowstorm. So I just want to take you around, see how I've put on. I've put on this one and I've put on these boots, big ones, because it is too much outside there. So please, welcome to watch, my people. I know it has been long since I have uploaded a long video, but guys, you'll just bear it with me. Watch it until the end. Consider to subscribe, comment it on that notification bell so that YouTube may continue notifying you whenever I've posted. And now I'm taking you around in Peterborough. So guys, let's get into it now. Let me open the door. See how it is, and it is still snowing. Look. We need to shovel. Guys, see how it is full. See the car is full. It is covered. Oh my. Oh, okay. How will I pass here? Babu, how will I pass here? Babu, tanguka hapa. Hapa siwezi. Wow, guys, I've managed.
Hey, my mom.
Wow. I've carried my gloves instead. When it will be cold too much, I'm gonna wear this. And we need to shovel. A shovel. So guys, see even this car has been covered with the snow. Look at the heap of snow. Snowstorm, my people. Okay. Now guys, let's go. I'm putting on this gloves because my hands are freezing. And at least, okay, guys. Now let's go. Look at this other side. It has not been shoveled yet. Look at where we normally take our mail. It's full. Look. There. Kocha, I need some makaga mail. Okay, guys. Okay, in post, Baskaraka. Okay, guys, now see. And it is still snowing. My look. Peterborough, my people. Ooh. I'm sinking. Woo. I'm afraid of falling. Look. Snowstorm, my people. Look at the trees. Ooh. Oh. Guys, don't worry. This video today, it will be very long. Oh, look at here. Oh, guys, let me show you. This is where we normally take our mails. Look, and it is blowing with wind. Look at that place. I can't even go there. It is full. Everywhere is heap of snowstorm. My, oh, I'm thinking. Look at my legs. Sunday. Look at that door is covered. It is covered. That door is covered. Almost reaching up. Oh my goodness. Woo. Peterborough.
And after the 63rd week, now only 1 week remains, and that 1 week represents 7 years. 3 years of tribulation, 3 years, 3.5 tribulation, great tribulation. And that was,
Look at here.
yes, 1 week, that's 7 years.
I've just decided to take you around, guys.
Great tribulation is only meant for the judgment
Wow.
of the Israelites, the people. That they
Our Canada. And it is still snowing, see.
was, so the Lord will still stand in them. That one from
Whew. Look. Ooh. It is snowing on my eyes. But I've put on a look at that place. Look. Everywhere. Today guys. No movements. Look. Whew. Look at this place.
the Indian people represent the cross and the blood, but they have changed the gospel, and they are, the Lord got rid of the Mary people.
Somebody's there. Guys, yesterday I walked here and it was not full as this. Today is Sunday. I'm telling you, it is crazy. Look. Oh, snow is entering in my eyes. Oh, Canada. Canada. Oh, my people. My people. Look at this heap. This heap of snow. My people, my people. This is crazy, man.
I want them to get something that even if they live in a way that they know, the Lord. And they know this is sin,
Look. Cars are being covered and I'm just walking on the road. I don't want to fall in a ditch without knowing. Our church is always there. Ooh, I'm falling. Ah. Ooh. I'm also falling into a ditch, guys. Ooh. Ooh. Look at this place. Look. Look, my legs are going inside the snow. This is crazy. Look at this place. The kids' playground. I cannot even walk here because night is full, as you can see. Look at my legs. Look. Ooh. Beautiful Sunday. Now see, some people are at the stage waiting for the bus. I doubt even if the bus will be coming today. Look at the road, even the roads are full. Yeah. So look at it. Guys, see? I'm just going around. So that's not much. I'm just going around, my people. Oh my. This is crazy. This is crazy. Look at the road. Road is so. Look. Oh, no, no.
it's very cold.
What?
See, guy, how will this car come out of this place?
Huh?
This guy is warming up. How will it come out of this place? I wonder. It will not.
That's right. Look. Look at it, guys. My people. This is look at it. That's why I put it on this one. It's so snowing on me. Let me put on my glass. Look at it.
Zama. Zama. Lui, nasikia baridi.
Hey,
I'm not traveling
Did
there.
you manage to come out? Did you manage to come out?
okay, see how the snow is fall. Look, the trees. Money? Gani kesurendo. Open and no record to be on your connect. Huh? Huh? Guys, see some videos. Oh my, look at the road. Just decided to go around to show you how it's and still snowing, so we don't know that coming evening it will be how many centimeters because it is blowing. Snowstorm. So I haven't gone far as such. I'm just going around. Then I'm going back to the house. Are you still feeling cold?
My arms
Yeah.
is warming up.
Okay. Okay, see. See how full it is. Look. Okay. Let me show you my legs. What? What? I'm also falling down. Almost falling down here. Falling in the snow. Nimefanya vizuri kuvaa hizi viatu.
Unasikia baridi kwa mguu?
Sisikii, alafu zinashika chini. Oh my people, this is worse. Oh my goodness. Okay. Just taking you around to see how our Sunday is today. Today just prayed in the house. Whew. I can't walk here because it's a heap of snow, so I can fall down. Whew. And today, Babu, our shovel. Look our shovel. Look where he will come from. Oh, okay. Ooh, here is full. Are you recording me? Okay. Okay, don't like Okay, look guys. At least now we are almost reaching home now. We had gone round. Here guys, see, there's no walk inside. Look at the other side. The other side, see. See how big it is. This side, see. Oh, my leg. Oh, my God, my goodness. Dia pita kama pita dia pita. Ora. Nakaro account. Oh guys, my guys. Oh, it's my phone almost falling down, but okay. Now guys. Oh, you see how big this one is. Ooh, snow blowing. It is blowing, and ooh, but it is coming this side. Oh, oh, go home, Babu. Oh my goodness. I'm going to shovel. Because it is too much. Babu, reti diot. Jom kuno yako. Okay, guys. Just wanna go and shovel our place a bit. Ngasema shovel leo mikosi. Wako na ile kitu. Kadanga, you look at our area. Guys, see. Guys, we've reached here, and how am I going to enter here? Look at our car. It is covered with the snow. Look, that is covered. Okay, guys, now let's go. Let's do this. I'm afraid I'm gonna fall. Oh, are you seeing me? Oh. Oh. What do I get? Okay. Oh, my hands. At least I've made this place now. You can walk. Okay, see, but it is still full. Consider to subscribe, guys. See how Ontario Peterborough is, and my hands are freezing. Still in the foot. I have gloves in me. Guys, thank you. Bye bye. Ciao. Bye. Okay.